Hey guys, it's Multiverse Cytron here. I just want to say something about that new Borderlands movie. It would have been perfect if the people in Hollywood would just use the source material, do a little bit more research on the source material, and utilize it. I mean, that's the problem with all video game movies. You know, Resident Evil, Super Mario movie from the early 90s. They did do pretty good on Mortal Kombat, though. That's something that's good. However, just this just doesn't just apply to just video games. This applies to any media. You know, get the source material, do the research, and just do the research and apply it. That's what you need to do when it comes to any movie adaptation of anything. So, yeah. Well, I just wanted to rant about just movies, just movies that are based off of something else. So, yeah, that'll be it. And remember, never give up, never back down.